What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Good vibes only, good vibes only. You see this? Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, I'm Way, and this is The Creative Way. First things first, please like, share, and subscribe. And guys, while you're doing that, I'll be right back. Gotta go to the bathroom. Not to use it, but to improve it. So guys, on today's episode, I'll be hanging up some floating shelves in my half bathroom. Now, originally I had a wire rack shelving unit on top of my toilet, and I got rid of it because my bathroom had outgrown it. But it's not like my bathroom can get any bigger than a half bath. I guess it just has a Napoleon complex. Go figure. So guys, I purchased the shelves for $4.49 from Ikea, and let me show you how they look. Persby. So I had a few of these right here, but I'm gonna hang these up in here, and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna hang it. But I felt like it was time to do that. The bathroom needed to change. Enough of me just standing here talking about what I'm going to do. Let's get to putting these things up. All right, stay tuned. Here's the finished product. What do you think, guys? I think it looks really great. It's a great addition to my bathroom. So if you all are considering hanging up floating shelves anywhere in your home, send in a picture of how you decorated it to thecreativeway@gmail.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, good vibes only.